Yes, people. It's a bit different now. I've decided I need to put more fashion stuff on this page. It's so far just been football shirts, tracksuits, Nike stuff, sportswear, not much fashion items, not much high end fashion, normal fashion, branded, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if this is going to be a fail or a win in two different ways because one, I need to like them. Two, they need to fit me. And I bought a size bigger as well because they didn't have my size and I really liked them. So let's get into this. I couldn't even rip the address label off the other side, so I'm gonna savagely open this. Laugh. Oh man, I ripped it the whole way through. Let's pull it out. So you already know what it is. You can tell it's denim. That looks like bird stuff on the back. I'm not really too happy about that. You know what? There's no. Oh, I thought that would come off. Okay. G-Star 3301. They feature a leather waistband patch. That's this thing. They feature a metal clip. Ooh, that's this thing. They feature hidden bar tacks. That's in there somewhere, I think. Yeah, no, F this. I don't want to swear, F this. And reinforced back pockets. That's these bad boys. As you can see, line of reinforcement. I like these kind of. They need to look good on. Ooh. What have we got here? Do not eat, throw away. Okay. I don't know which simple person thinks, this packet came with my jeans. I should eat. These look huge. They're not going to fit me. Wow. Yeah, I don't think they're going to fit me. But they look quite good, actually. I like that. Rips, but they're not ripped. Paint. Splodges. Splatters. This needs to be edited. Whoever did this here was a lazy guy, man. If G-Star, the guy that's watching, no, the guy that did this is watching, don't do that again. I don't want to see this again. Name on the back, bits of red and stuff. I like these. I like the color. They look better than what was pictured, kind of thing. These can be worn with a range of different things, such as. Let's just go in the back quickly. At least one good thing about these jeans is if you're a messy guy and you wear these, you can't really tell that your jeans are dirty because you can just say fashion. That's the word I'm going to use, fashion. But yeah, I kind of like them. I'm going to try them on, see if they fit. They look huge. I'm normally a 34, 35, 36 waist. This is a 38. What do we have belts for? Which is massive. And it's a 34 leg as well. So they will be long on me. I need to get these. Basically what I do with my denim is I get them altered, tailored. So if I buy a bigger size, I can get it made to my size. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to keep them. I might show a couple of my friends, and if they cuss me, I'll send them right back. But I do like the rips that are not rips, because that's 24/7 jeans. I can wear these in the winter. Excuse me. I'm not going to edit that out. I just burped twice. The winter and the summer. Ooh, this thing. They wrote like 70 or EO. Whoever did this at G-Star as well, I don't want to see this again, man. Jeans is decent. I'll see if they look good on. That looks like, you know what that looks like. That looks like a mad thing. Overall view, they look not too bad. They remind me kind of D squared jeans, but these were very cheap, if I must add. If I like them, or if I like the way they are on, and I get them fixed up and whatever, then I'll keep them. If I'm not feeling them, I'll try them on with some trainers, probably just white Air Forces to be honest, and I might keep them for the summer. They look a bit unique, different. Just a plain white t-shirt will go with these. Yeah. I hope to do more better fashion videos than these, because this one was terrible. But it's okay. We move. So whoever made it this far and listened to me waffle, shout out yourself. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Like, comment, share. Please subscribe, man. I don't say please, but please subscribe because I need subscriptions. Because these things cost me money. And I'm a broke guy. So, you know, maybe I can make some money off YouTube. But then there's so many things. Oh, yeah, you have to, you have to sign up. You have to get accepted. I don't like rejection. But yeah, subscribe anyway, guys. Thank you. Take care and peace out. Peace out. Don't say that again. Take care.